Ahoy, matey! So you want to dress like a pirate? I'm the guy to help you out. You see, before I was an awesome pirate, I used to be a regular landlubber like you.
Gather up some old loose pants, a white dress shirt, a bandana, and a belt. Throw on your white dress shirt and roll up the sleeves. Tie a scarf or belt around your waist. Cut the legs of your pants just below your knees. Next, go barefoot or wear sandals. If you want to take it to the next step, get some makeup. I used foundation to give me that suntan look, blush since I run around the pirate ship a lot, eyeliner because that's a cool pirate thing to do, and some more eyeliner used to draw on a mustache. Get yourself some accessories, a plastic sword, a beaded necklace, and an eye patch. Lastly, tie a bandana around your head. Next, learn some pirate speech. To get started, refer to yourself as me, as in,
Me needs to get more treasure.
use words like
Blimey,
and insults like
scoundrel, and scallywag.
finally, walk like me.
You've got it. You're the best swashbuckler around. Ahoy, matey. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel.